Hello and welcome to HW News. After much anticipation, the Shiromani Akali Dal on Saturday finally quit the National Democratic Alliance. It did not come as a big surprise since the former Food Processing Minister Harsimrat Kaur Badal had already resigned from the Modi cabinet. Since the farm bills were introduced in the parliament, the Shiromani Akali Dal opposed it, saying that the BJP, the biggest partner in the NDA, did not consult with the party leaders. However, it remains a question why wasn't this opposition raised when the Modi government brought the farm ordinances in the month of June itself. Anyways, citing the differences over farm bills, Akali Dal quit NDA and thus ending one of the oldest and long-standing political alliance between the two parties in India. A day later, Akali Dal chief Sukhbir Singh Badal addressed the party workers in Punjab and said that the farmers' economic plight affects the entire economy. Anything like the new farm bills, which increases the uncertainty about the fate of farmers' produce, can have disastrous implications for the economy and social stability of the country. Therefore, what we are fighting for is to protect the country's wider national interest. He also said that we are ready to join or follow any struggle in the overall interest of the farmers and farm laborers, Aradiyas, which is farm agents and other farm produce traders. He also called for opposition unity against the new farm bills. Now, this call given by the Punjab leader has resonated well with the Shiv Sena and the Trinamool Congress in West Bengal. We support Mr. Badal and Shiromani Akali Dal stand for the farmers. Fighting for farmers is part of Trinamool DNA. In 2006, Mamata Banerjee risked her life on a historic 26-day fast for farmers' rights. We oppose Farm Bills 2020 as they endanger states' role, minimum support price, the public distribution system and procurement. Now, this is what Derek O'Brien, the Trinamool Congress MP, tweeted. Now, remember, he was one of the MPs who were suspended from Rajya Sabha when they created a ruckus during the Farm Bill voting. Shiv Sena also reacted to this. Shiv Sena chief spokesperson and also an MP, Sanjay Raut, said that Shiv Sena appreciates Akali Dal's decision to break its ties with the NDA in the interest of the farmers. Now, NCP chief Sharad Pawar also took it to Twitter and said, "Congratulations to Shri Sukhbir Singh Badal, president of Akali Dal, and MP Harsimrat Kaur Badal, who under the leadership of Honorable Shri Prakash Singh Badal pulled out of NDA in a protest to farmers' bills. Thanks for firmly standing with the farmers." Now, in this video today, we will talk about the relation between NDA partners and the BJP. But first, let's rewind a little to 2018. Just ahead of the Karnataka elections, BJP's ally in southern state Andhra Pradesh, Telugu Desam Party, quit the NDA. TDP's N. Chandrababu Naidu cited BJP government dragging its feet over the special status to Andhra Pradesh as the reason. Apart from that, Naidu also said that he and his party were not being heard in the National Democratic Alliance. TDP was with BJP since late Atal Bihari Vajpayee's era. Roughly for almost 2 decades, the party was with NDA and supported BJP but left the alliance in 2018. Now let's come to 2019. After the assembly elections of Maharashtra, Shiv Sena, the party whose relations with BJP went beyond just the alliance, quit the National Democratic Alliance. Reason? The BJP was not ready to cede the CM post to Sena and also was not committing to equal sharing of power in the state. Shiv Sena said this was one of the major points of agreement between the two before the Lok Sabha elections. Shiv Sena, which once was the Mota Bhau, that is elder brother in the alliance partner, was reduced to Chota Bhau, that is younger brother, by BJP. The party, which stood with the BJP through thick and thin due to its ideologically bonding, ended ties with the party, quit the NDA in 2019. Now in 2020, another alliance partner, Shiromani Akali Dal, has left the NDA over the farm laws issue. All the three parties complained of one common factor: BJP not listening to alliance partners while taking any decision. This is something that Shiromani Akali Dal MP Naresh Gujral has often talked about in the past. Even today, Harsimrat Kaur Badal, who quit Modi cabinet, said that NDA is no longer the same as envisaged by Vajpayee ji and Badal ji. Now let me give you another interesting fact. NDA in total has close to 20 members, and these include even the independent parties that sided with the BJP and those nominated. But the big parties in NDA who have sizable presence in the states were Shiv Sena, TDP, Shiromani Akali Dal and AIADMK. While AIADMK is still supporting BJP, rest three have parted ways with it. These are the parties that were brought under one umbrella by late Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji in an effort to counter the Congress party. In 1998, when NDA was conceived, the idea was that all the smaller regional parties will join hands to counter the force of Congress. Samanvay was the key focus when Vajpayee brought these parties together and formed NDA. Mutual respect for other partners was also a key factor. Remember the story of how Vajpayee ji won over Mamata Banerjee, the railway minister in his cabinet, who was upset by visiting her family. But with the 2014 victory of the BJP and the rise of Prime Minister Modi, these equations in the NDA have changed. In 2014, BJP won 282 seats. The NDA won 354 seats. NDA's vote share was 38.5%, whereas BJP's vote share alone was 31.3%. In 2019, NDA won 353 seats, but BJP's share grew significantly as it won 303 seats all by itself. NDA's vote share in this election was up to 45%, but that of the BJP was 37%. With the brute majority that it has, even bigger than in 2014, the BJP has now upper hand, not only in parliament, but also in the NDA. In states like Maharashtra and Bihar, now Bihar is a state where it still maintains alliance with the JDU. BJP is gaining power as big brother, and that eventually it is threatening the regional parties, even the ones that are allied with the BJP. BJP's regional ambition is now even swallowing the regional parties. However, the disintegration of NDA has not caused any major worry to the BJP, which is caught amid nationwide outrage over two major issues, that is farm laws and labour bills. PM Modi calls them reforms, but farmers and labour organizations are out on the streets. One of the reasons why BJP is not much bothered about the alliance faltering is its strong foothold in Hindi heartland, based on which it swayed to power. BJP did not get any success in Punjab. In Maharashtra, it is already single largest party, and in Andhra Pradesh, it has very minuscule presence. In Hindi heartland, the persona of Prime Minister Modi and its nationalist campaign is enough to sway the votes, and even the party may agree to this. But as Sanjay Raut said, with the Akali Dal, TDP and Shiv Sena gone, the original NDA is no more. One takeaway is also that as PM Modi rose in Indian politics, he shadowed not only the opposition but also those standing with him. But now, some of the oldest alliance partners no longer want to stay in the shadows. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.